What's up, you guys? It's me, Loner Guy 995, back in with another unboxing video. And today I'm gonna be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, before I begin the video, I am currently downloading Dragon Ball Sparking Zero on the PC. I will be showing gameplay video when I have time. So anyway, let's get on with the video. Now there's the Galaxy S24 Ultra. There's the front of the box. Gonna be a quick unboxing. There's the bottom of the box. The side. And the back. Galaxy S24 Ultra. I got the 512 gigabyte version. Now let's rip the seal off. Oh yeah, this is the black version, of course, if you can't tell. It's hard doing it with one hand. Oh yeah, I'm sorry about the background noise. Yeah, I'll just get my handy dandy knife. There we go. Oh yeah, and I got some glass protectors for it and some anime case. Luffy, he looked like he's not so fairy tale. And then we got Gear 5 Luffy. Let's open this bad boy up. Wow, it looks so freaking beautiful though. I got the privacy screen protector for it. This is the phone right here. Gonna be a quick unboxing. I got the S Pen right here. Really neat. All right, throw that to the side. Take this little slip off. You got your little books in there, in here. That comes with the charger. If I can open it. Let's turn it on first. This is gonna be a quick unboxing, you guys. You got the cable, and you got the books, and you got the phone. Let me try to power it on, and there we go. That's it gonna be for this video, you guys. Just a quick unboxing video of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I'm switching over from iPhone to Android. I just can't do iPhone anymore. I can't put this book back. I just can't with one hand. I'm gonna have to do it off screen. I have to hurry up and make this video before my grandma start coming in here messing with me. Because I already know how she is. Bro, it won't close. I guess I'll just get rid of the box then. I guess it just doesn't want to close. All right, that's gonna be it for this video, you guys, of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It looks really so beautiful. You got the S Pen, speaker, charger, SIM card, dual SIM card. You got your power and you got your button volume and down. You got your cameras. It looks so freaking premium though, I'm not gonna lie. And then I'm gonna show you again, you got the S Pen. I wanna make sure I cover everything. All right, you guys, that's gonna be it on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. You guys, this is a quick unboxing, you guys. Meal Owner Guy 995 back again with another unboxing video of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm recording the video for my YouTube channel.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yep. On my break.
You didn't even visit with me or say hi today or nothing. I didn't even know you
Oh,
were
you
here.
literally
Good
walked
job.
by me. You literally.
Good
Now
job.
I'm gonna have to edit it out.
Yeah, delete whatever that is. You need to delete it.
No, I wanted to go in there, but they're loud.
Oh.
Already in the personnel office. Only one in there is DeAndre.
Oh, I could go in there?
Why? If you're gonna do something real quick, I would.
Oh, wow, I didn't know that. That's crazy. I'm having a hard time opening it with one hand. Bear with me, you guys. I'll be right back. All right, there we go. Bottom of the box, you got your manual. You got your USB Type-C to USB charging cable. And you got some books in here. Not gonna even bother with those. And here goes the bad boy itself. There's nothing else in the bottom though. So that was it. So you get the buds, the cable. Now once I pop this bad boy open, it's gonna try to connect to the Samsung. And there's the back, the top, Samsung, the bottom, USB Type-C, pairing button. This is what it looks like, the top. You got the lights right there. Really look like AirPods, oh my God. Now the price on these was $250 plus tax, $275. I used my employee discount, and then it knocked it down to $248. I forgot what the change was. But yeah, you guys, just a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Now, I'm on my break. I gotta end it already. I gotta charge these bad boys before I come back in. and I gotta update it. See you guys next unboxing video. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. I don't know. We got into the phone. For some reason, sometimes the fingerprint scanner works, sometimes it don't with the screen protector. So installation is done. I got all the apps on board. Buds 3 Pro. Got the Buds 3 Pro right here. Now let's try it again. Where's my wipes at? Do a wipe down real quick. All right, let's try this again. All right, let's try the right finger then. The right thumb, I mean. See? Works. Works perfectly. Now, let's try the S Pen. S Pen. We're gonna create note. I'm just showing off some stuff, you guys. Man, these kids are loud. All right, let's see here. I'm gonna try to see if I can write in Japanese. With this small frame, I don't know. Nah, I can't. Because it's gonna just put in English. I'm gonna just write my name. Better enough, but you get it. This is the S Pen feature right here. So we wrote my name. All right, Smart Select. Now I'm gonna go to Amazon.com. I mean Amazon. And then let's go to list. And then let's try this wireless charger by Samsung. And we're gonna do Smart Select. We're gonna just circle it and then add to notes. And then say, so you can see it. Get Oh no. That's my attempt on trying to do a G. But you get it, you guys. You get it. You get it. We're get a charger, and I'm gonna just, and then we're gonna just back out, and then it's saved. And then you can do sketch to image, just showing off some of the features of the device. And then for the camera, we got like a lot of zoom options. So, oops, I don't want to show the chat. Hold on for a second. That was my ringtone. All right, perfect. I do not want to show my private chat right there. So I had to. So these are the zoom options we'd be getting. So yeah, I'm not gonna be showing off a lot. Okay. Well, so my privacy is already out right there. Oh boy. All right. That's going to be it for this video, you guys. Even though I said it was a short video, it was a kind of a long one. God damn it, Jamie. But yeah, that's going to be it. Oh, what's that? I'll see you guys on the next unboxing video. Well, I wouldn't say unboxing video. I'll see you on the next video.